Hello, and welcome to the TotalPatent One webinar series. This series is intended to give you basic instruction on how to make TotalPatent One best meet your search needs. Today's webinar topic will cover logging in to TotalPatent One and setting your user preferences. To access the tool, open a browser window and go to TotalPatent1.com. Please note that TotalPatent One works with Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Internet Explorer version 10 and higher. Additionally, it will work with Apple and Android tablets. Next, input your username and password. It might be easiest to copy and paste this information from your welcome email. If you also have access to Lexis Advance, your ID and password will be the same in TotalPatent One. If you have never logged in to TotalPatent One or Lexis Advance, you will be prompted to set a permanent password. Keep in mind, changing your password in either Lexis Advance or TotalPatent One will change the password to both services. Once you've entered your ID and password, click the Sign In button to launch TotalPatent One. Once successfully logged in, you will be taken to the main search page. TotalPatent One offers a variety of customization options to improve your user experience with TotalPatent One. To access your preference options, select the Preference icon in the toolbar. First, you will select how many results you would like to see displayed on a screen. TotalPatent One allows you to view 10, 25, 50, 100, or all. Move the radio button next to the number to make your selection. If you select all, this initiates infinite scrolling, which enables you to scroll through up to 10,000 documents on the same screen. Next, TotalPatent One allows you to pre-select which fields you would like to display on the results list screen when you run a search. To customize your configuration, simply select the fields you would like by clicking the box next to each one. You can also drag and drop them into a display order of your choosing. On this screen, you will also find the option to display the keyword occurrence grid on your results list view. When activated, a color-coded grid will display along with your selected fields to show you how many times each keyword met your search requirements and in what section of the document. Finally, you can set the color highlighting for each keyword in your document. Tabbing over to Family will allow you to choose whether or not you would like to apply family member deduplication to your search results by either selecting Publications, No Dedupe, or Families, Automatic Dedupe. There are several different family types you can choose from. A detailed explanation of each one is included in the user manual and as you radio to each selection. Move the radio button to select the definition of your choosing. When you opt to dedupe by family, you get the additional option of having either the earliest document, published application, or latest, granted patent, displayed in your result set. Next, you need to select your preferred authority for family member dedupe. The 10 major full-text authorities are listed, and you can simply drag and drop them to the order of your preference. Please note this works like a hierarchy, meaning TotalPatent One will look for your first choice, and if a document that meets your preferences cannot be found, it will move to the next authority in your list. For example, let's assume you opted for Family Dedupe, latest document, and your most preferred authority was US. When you run a search, TotalPatent One will look at each family within your results and see if there is a US granted patent in the family. If there is, that document and only that document will be returned in your results list as the representative member. However, if there is no US granted document in the family, it will look for a grant in the next authority in your list, and so on. You may want to try out different options to find the combination that works best for you. Just remember to click Save and Close at the bottom of the screen whenever you make any changes to your preferences. Under the Language Setting tab, you can set your preferred interface language, document language, and search language. If you would like additional help resources, you can click on the eye found at the top right side of the TotalPatent One toolbar. Here you will find the full user manual, data coverage information, and a quick reference guide. Under Contact Customer Support, you will find the customer support number, as well as a link to our resource page.